What if I told you, the perfect folding exercise bike fits in a closet and gives gym-level workouts? Man lifting weights. In this video, we reveal the top 5 folding exercise bikes of 2025, tested for stability, resistance, and space-saving genius. One of these folds so small, you'll forget it's even there. Stick around because number 3 will blow your mind. High voltage. All purchase links are in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's pedal into the future. Number 1. Barwing Foldable Exercise Bike. Seniors need an exercise bike that's comfortable, easy to use, and sturdy, like our top pick from Barwing. The plush, oversized seat has a backrest that can be adjusted to different heights and angles, so riders can pick the position that works best for their needs and fitness goals. The bike also features padded handlebars, as well as a large, clear LCD monitor that shows statistics like time, calories burned, speed, and distance. Plus, it comes with built-in resistance bands and an ankle strap, which offer more than just a cardio workout. However, it doesn't have a water bottle holder, unlike some of our other top picks. With a heavy-duty steel frame and X-type design, this bike is sturdy and built to last. The extra-wide legs help prevent wobbling and rattling, allowing for a smooth, stable ride. Meanwhile, the bike's quiet magnetic resistance system features 16 levels, so you can get a good workout regardless of your fitness level. At 46 pounds, it's heavier than other folding bikes, but we think that's a good trade-off for its durability and high weight capacity of 300 pounds. Number 2. Hapbear Folding Exercise Bike. If you think you'll get bored with a basic stationary bike, we recommend Hapbear's 3-in-1 folding exercise bike. It can be used as both an upright and recumbent bike and offers 8 levels of magnetic resistance. One set of handlebars on the sides of the seat is ideal for smooth, relaxed rides, while another pair at the front allows you to grip during more intense workouts. It also has a built-in device holder and a clear LCD display with workout statistics, including time, distance, calories, and pulse. Plus, the built-in resistance bands let you work on toning your upper body as you're pedaling. This bike is ultra-quiet, compact, and easy to store, making it a nice choice for an at-home cardio machine. The large seat has a backrest for extra stability and support, although some users have noticed that it can feel stiff. With a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds, the bike is sturdy, stable, and an excellent value. Number 3. Pooboo Folding Exercise Bike. Made from thick, high-quality steel with a stable, X-frame design, Pooboo's X819 Folding Exercise Bike is our pick for a bike that's both durable and a great value. The flywheel is resistant to dust, rust, and sweat. We also like the handlebars, seat, and backrest, which are covered in a thick layer of soft padding to keep you comfortable while you ride. With 8 levels of resistance and built-in resistance bands, this versatile bike can be used for both upper and lower body workouts. Plus, it adjusts between upright and semi-recumbent positions, so you can easily switch up your cardio workouts without investing in multiple machines. This bike also has an adjustable water bottle holder, a built-in device holder, and an LCD monitor for tracking your time, speed, distance, calories burned, and heart rate. Like most folding exercise bikes, it doesn't come with pre-programmed workouts or Bluetooth connectivity, but it's a solid performer that's built to last. Number 4. Marcy Foldable Upright Exercise Bike. Marcy's foldable upright bike is our top overall pick because it's sturdy, easy to use, and an excellent value. The durable 14-gauge steel frame feels as stable as a stationary bike, while still offering the space-saving convenience of a folding one. We like that the bike boasts a quick and straightforward assembly, as well as 8 levels of resistance, which are easy to adjust mid-ride. The LCD screen allows you to track your time, speed, distance, and calories. Meanwhile, a padded seat and foam-covered handlebars help you comfortably maintain your form. And the counterweight, non-slip pedals have adjustable safety straps, letting you ride at high speeds without worrying about losing your footing. A rubberized foot base adds to the bike's stability and won't scratch wood floors. And the seat is adjustable, to accommodate users between 5 feet, 1 inch and 6 feet, 3 inches tall, but it may be too tall for some shorter users. This bike also doesn't have built-in transport wheels for easy portability, unlike others on our list. Number 5. XTERRA Fitness FB150 Folding Exercise Bike. If you're looking for a basic bike that doesn't take up a lot of space, we recommend XTERRA Fitness FB150 bike. You can control your workout intensity by adjusting the knob in the front to one of 8 resistance levels. An easy-to-read LCD screen with just one simple button allows you to monitor your time, speed, pulse, distance, and calories burned at a glance. The large seat and padded handlebars can be adjusted into multiple positions for optimal comfort and support. Plus, the friction-free magnetic resistance and silent belt drive system means your ride won't disturb your neighbors or other household members. Compact and lightweight, this bike easily folds down to fit in 18 square inches of floor space and has built-in wheels, so it's not a hassle to move or store. However, its efficient size means it can accommodate taller riders, as it's suitable for users between 4 feet, 10 inches and 5 feet, 10 inches tall. The weight capacity is also smaller than many of our other top picks, at up to 225 pounds. So, which of these folding beasts are you taking home? Drop a comment below. If this video helped you save space and get fit, smash that like button, share it with your fitness crew, and subscribe for more home gym gems. Want the best deals? Check the links in the description. Rocket, stay tuned, because next week, we're testing treadmills that disappear into your couch. See ya.